Hey there, it's Pete with GCI Turf Services in Greensboro, North Carolina. I hope you're having a great day, and I'm excited to offer a brand new service. So if you're local to Greensboro, North Carolina, the Summerfield, Oak Ridge, Kernersville, Reedsville, Eden area, and anywhere in between, we're talking to you. With us being more in a rural area, there's still plenty of gravel driveways out there, and they need maintenance, periodic maintenance. And I know you've seen it. You come in from a hard day of work and you're going up your gravel driveway, and there's potholes here and there, and it's bumpy and rough, and it'll almost jar your brains out, right? Well, I've got a solution for you. To our service, we have now added a gravel driveway maintenance solution. What that consists of is we will come in with a piece of equipment, a power rake, and we will power rake your driveway, cutting all the rock to the inside. Then we actually take a landscape rake and fan it back out nice and smooth. Typically what happens with a gravel driveway is it's used quite often. You're coming in every day, sometimes multiple times, in and out every day, and the tires of your car tend to push the rock to the outside. And you can see this hump right here. This is where the tires of the car over time have pushed this rock out. Well, that's good, usable rock that you're not utilizing, right? Now, another cool feature with this is if you've got those nasty potholes that have washed out over time, well, this machine will remove that pothole by cutting deep enough to actually take out the pothole. Because if you don't remove the pothole, if you simply just put rock back in the pothole, the next time your car runs over it, you tend to flush the rock back out of the hole. So we need to completely remove that pothole in order for it to firm back up right. So hey, if you're interested in our gravel driveway maintenance service, go to GCITurfServices.com. Up at the top of the page, you'll see the word contact. If you'll just click on that, and I'll take you to a form, and you can fill out that form, and it'll send me your information, and I'll get with you, give you a price on your driveway, and if you say yes, when I leave, I'll have your driveway as smooth as a baby's butt.